The intertidal zone is the area where the land meets the ocean. And as you can imagine, it is the area between the high tide and low tide mark, and it's a very, very difficult place to live. The bands visible behind me are all smaller sections of the intertidal zone, definable by the species present. For example, the superlittoral zone, or the uppermost zone, is characterized by the presence of black algae and coralline algae.
A plethora of animals live in the intertidal zone, including Porifera, Cnidaria, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Chynodermata, Urcodata, and chordates.
The intertidal zone can be a very crowded place. In this picture you can clearly see two separate phyla. The Cnidarians, in this case you see the sea anemone, and the echinoderms. In this case you see the iconic purple starfish, or Pisaster ochriacus.
The intertidal zone gets flooded 1 to 2 times daily. The movement of the tides affects temperature, salinity, moisture, pH level, dissolved oxygen, food supply, and predation.
In BC's mid-littoral zone, Pisaster ochriacus, or purple starfish, acts as a keystone species and controls the abundance of sessile mussels that would otherwise colonize this entire area.
Interestingly, however, mussels of the Pacific Northwest have developed an adaptation that allows the species to survive above the range of the purple sea star. The mussels have the ability to close up tight while retaining seawater until the tide rising again, just like this one right here. This allows them to be out of water longer when there's a low tide. This distances them from the range of the predatory sea star, which needs to stay underwater to walk.